Hello everyone. We are Group 3 and my name is Binoy Thomas and my group members are Darish Shrestha and Eli Pham. The topic for our research project is prediction of personal loan purchase and customer segmentation analysis. A personal loan is an amount of money that you can borrow to use for a variety of purposes, generally being offered by the banks and financial institutions, and the amount is repaid over time, typically with an interest. We chose this topic because of our interest in applying predictive and descriptive models in the financial sector. The goals of our project are to analyze the effectiveness of existing marketing strategies, to find the machine learning models that help in identifying potential customers, and to help the financial institution in maximizing the sales performance. Our research questions include: what are the most important features influencing the loan purchasing decisions and why? How are the features correlated to each other? What are the key characteristics of each cluster among the sample population? Which machine learning approach could be best to predict personal loan acceptance rate using the financial sector data? And what are the solutions for the next marketing campaign? We sourced our data from Gaggle website, and the dataset has 5,000 records and 14 features. The data was imported into RStudio, and we did the exploratory data analysis and visualized the data. The data was checked for missing values and inconsistencies, and that were corrected. The data that divided into training sets and testing sets. We also normalized the data using the Z-score method.
Part A: Predictive Analysis using Supervised Learning. We created different models for the classification, and for most of the models, automatic parameter tuning was used. If we take a look at the accuracy, 90.8 versus 95.6, and the false negative, 92 versus 31, we can say that logistic regression is the best model out of these two candidates. However, the other two models, decision tree and random forest, were able to generate more accuracy, but random forest was chosen as the best model because of its higher accuracy rate of 98.6% and the least false negative of 12. We can see why the model chose MTry value 16 as the best, since it is creating the best ROC curve. From this evaluation table, we can see different parameters that were used during the tuning process, as well as the accuracy for training and test data. As mentioned previously, the model for deployment was chosen as random forest since it created the highest accuracy rate for the test data. A decision tree model indicates that the features income, CD account, credit card spending average, and education are the most important deciding factors that influence the loan purchasing decision. The reason behind this is the attribute uses for these features are comparatively higher than the others.
The next part is descriptive analysis. To answer the analytical question, which features are correlated to each other, we visualize a matrix of scatter plots. A experience shows a strong positive correlation. Income and CC average has a moderate positive relationship. We also use unsupervised learning method K-means clustering in our analysis, with K equal to 3 the best suited values based on our SSE calculation and the distribution of cluster on age, family, and education. In this slide, the visualizations support our finding about the key characteristics of cluster. Cluster 1 had younger population with lower income. Cluster 2 contains high density of older population with lower income. Unlike other clusters, Cluster 3 has mostly middle-aged population with income in a higher range. Our findings suggest that in the next marketing campaign, we should target the Cluster 3 because the group characteristic suggests a lower default risk. Cluster 1 is also an option as it has large population size with potential of goodwill. We summarize our analysis into 3 main keys. First, we should target on 2 specific groups, Cluster 3 and 1. Second, when defining a marketing strategy, take age, income, experience, and average spending in credit card into consideration. Third, random forest produce the highest performance in our scenario. I will conclude our presentation. We thank you for your time.